Hello guys, this is Alex from DB, and in today's video I will go through some challenge, to be honest, because today I will do the connection and like full seamless integration between WMails app that we launched like only this week on the marketplace and between our website. And actually I will do a connection with our landing page where we telling about our web development services. So I already have some design that I prepared in Figma, and this is actually was a original like tags that usually I personally send to our potential employers who get in contact with us. But right now I'm gonna to transform this into this. So, and you can see that this is actually not a basic email that we usually send to our, like during our business life and communications. So I will do this like nice looking email, and actually I'm using the same, let's say the same text that been transformed into this like nice looking imagery and with highlighting the main important things. For example, my main goal of like when I'm sending these emails to actually book a meeting with our employers, and actually you can see that I highlighted this main key action in the button here. So, and actually I'm also like highlighting, like telling thank you very much for project request, and I'm highlighting one more thing because we also have some special conditions that our employers can use during like until the end of the month. And I also want to highlight it because it's very important to mention. And I'm also like sharing some recent awards that we get as a company, and I'm also sharing the contacts, additional contacts option, just in case if our employer will want to communicate through WhatsApp or email. And why it's also important because on our landing page we have only an opportunity to get in touch with us through the form. So yeah, let's rock. Let's do it actually. And my main challenge here will be to do it in 15 minutes. So my main goal. Um, okay, so let's actually do it. So this is the first screen of WMails, and you can see that I have some special account with a lifetime access. But right now I will go through the whole process like as absolutely everybody will go through. So let's rock. Let's do it, guys. So first action will be actually to add a website after the registration, of course. So first action will be to do it. And I just need to, you can see that this is our Webflow authorization process, and I just need to select my website. And basically, I will select this Digital Butler's main website. So then I'm going to authorize the app, and I can see that I have some loading, and a site was successfully added. So I can see this Digital Butler's main website here. And I'm not able to add any forms because I need to select the domain first. So yeah, I need to select the domain, and to do it, I need to go and add a domain name. So actually, let's go. Let's do it with you together now. So I already let's do it completely from scratch, right? So adding a domain, and I will use our digitalbutlers.team domain to send the notifications, like send this nice looking temp email to our potential employers. So I will add this domain now. And okay, so domain has been added, so I need to go to the next step and add the DNS settings now. So here we have like the main instructions. So actually I need to add this record and this record, but I will go specifically to GoDaddy because my domain is registered on GoDaddy. So I have a detailed instruction here. So I need to authorize, select the domain, and I can like take a look at this in details, but I need to add the specific records. And okay, let's do it. I'm on GoDaddy now, and I'm clicking add a new record, and I need to add first of all a DKIM record. So it will be txt type. So select txt. Okay, okay, we got it. So copy and paste this value into the name field. All right. Oh, okay. So value, copy this one. All right. And like TTL is already set up in the way we need. Okay. So and here is like should look like, yeah, we have it right. So then I need to save it. Okay, so it will take some time. Boom. Okay, so success. Great news, guys. So next thing was to add a return pass. So it will be all right. So already will be a CNAME now. CNAME, and we use this as a name, and we use this as value, right? And the same TTL. Okay, cool. So click save. We added this one, and after adding the came return pass, you need to check the status. Okay, so I'm checking the status now. Okay, it may take some time. So they telling that it may take up to 84 hours. Wow. So it's something that will definitely take time. But normally, when I'm speaking about adding the records to GoDaddy, it's usually takes like it's actually been done much faster. So what I will do now, I will leave this like this for now, and I will go to like building the template. Okay, so yeah, because it will definitely take some time to check it. Okay, let's go to the templates, and and the templates I can actually use some nice looking template from the library, but we have a lot of them here. But I personally prefer, as a designer, I prefer to build my own template, right? So, and I will go to we'll select the blank option. So first thing that we need to do is actually add blocks. But before doing that, I just need to check it pretty quickly. Template name. Okay, so I will call it like DB landing page. Okay, template. Let's call it pretty quick. So description. I will tell like landing page. Landing page. Okay, let's take it like that. Colors. So for colors, I think that I'll need to use some purple color here, right? Okay, this one, it will be like our maybe primary color. Secondary color is more about the text, I believe. So background canvas. We definitely need to change our background, because for the background, let's do it like this. For the background here, I'm using different color, and it will be this one. So yeah, I think I need to use this. Okay, cool. And maybe let's try to add this one here too, just in case. Okay, primary. Oh, okay, so I should use it in a different way a bit. Okay, so I just need to add hashtag here. Oh, cool. Okay, right now it looks good. Fonts, I will use radius actually in my template, so everything should be nice. And for the logo, I already prepared all the materials I need, so I export them from Figma to save time in the video, but I will just upload this logo. Okay, the logo, new logo, updated. Nice, nice. Okay, guys, so next step will be to add blocks. And like looking at this design, I can see that on the top of it, I have this logo. So, and actually it will be just a logo with a link, right? Because I need to provide an opportunity to go to the site. So okay, I have a lot of different sections here. I'm able to just go through them here, and yeah, I will be able to hide something, like hide some elements. But what I will do, I will go to navbars, because it's actually a navbar, and this one looks pretty close to one I need. Okay, so I will add this block, right? And yeah, you can see that I already have this logo inside, because I selected this logo in the beginning when I adjusted the settings of the template. It's already been applied. Looks really good. And the background, it's already in my color. Wow, cool. It looks nice. Okay, so next thing will be, I need to build this block. But the challenge here is actually that, as a developer, I know one trick, that I'm not able to use custom fonts in the template, because I have some limited amount of fonts. And actually they are like just about 12 fonts or something like that, or maybe 8 fonts, because unfortunately at the current moment, email services, they are not able to share all like custom fonts that we will use. But I really want this font to be on my email, and because of that, I will just use it as an image because I don't need to care about SEO. I don't need to care about like other things. So I will just put this nice looking image with the text inside to the email, and my main goal is to take care that it will look good on mobile view and desktop view. So let's do it. I will not have any link here, right? So it will be just image, and it will be just a full screen image. So very basic one. Okay, here we go. Let's update it. It already looks good, but I will select out of here. So just to be sure that it will looks nice. Okay, but you can see that when I'm turning on to mobile view, it doesn't look good. So to be sure that it will looks nice, I think I just need to select 100%. Yeah. So, and then you can see that on mobile view, it looks really good. It looks really sexy. So yeah, let's go back to the desktop and continue working on desktop here. So I can, yeah, I will not hide it. I have only one element here. So block settings, I don't have any specific sections, any specific settings that I need to adjust for this section. So let's go back to the blocks and continue building the template. So next thing that I will need to add will be actually this text. And to do it, I will use tags block, and basically I know that I have reach tags block. So I will just add this one here. And yeah, it's already added this like block in the beginning. And we have this margin on the top, so I need to get rid of that. I don't need it, so I can see the margin here. So let's just completely get rid of that, so it looks good. And I will just copy this text from Figma, and yeah, I don't need H1 here, so I'll just put it in this one in this way. So okay, dear employer, I also have nice to meet you in the next line, but yeah, let's do it in this way first, and then we'll check how we can make it better. All right, so it should be centered. I definitely have another color here, right? So it's not just a black. I have gray, and this gray is 5252. Okay, sounds good. 5252. And I need to adjust the sizing because the sizing is about 18, right? But here I have 16 pixels. All right, so I need to like make it bigger a bit, and I also have bigger inline parameter, and it should be 160. We don't have this option in editor, so I'm just able only to choose from the existing ones. But yeah, it's some kind of a limitation that like all the MVP products facing, but I think that it also looks good when it will be 150. So let's keep it in this way. Okay, so I will not put nice to meet you to the next line. I think it should be pretty good because on mobile view, we can see that I have digital butler being on the next line, and if all nice to meet you will be on the next line also, then it will become a little bit of a mess. So so let's keep it in this way. What I want to do, I want to highlight this text and make it black. So I will make it like bold, and I will also underline it. So I can basically use key combinations, so Control U or like Command U on Mac to make it like this, underline, or I can play with this icons too. Okay, so moving forward, what I need to do, I think like this text already looks nice. If we compare it with our, okay, we have a link here. Let's schedule a call. All right, so let's schedule a call. So I want this link to be highlighted because somebody will just when reading the text, they will click on the link, and it will also work in the way I need. So to make it happen, I will use my tidy call link. So I will log into it. All right. So I have project discussion with Alex Digital Butter. So I'll copy the link and put it here, right? Okay. I will save it. And right now it's turned to a link, I guess. Yeah, but it doesn't have any visible identification. So I want it to be underlined. It's number one. And the second thing, I want it to be blue color because it's very connected to the link, right? It's in our brand color, but it will be pretty clear. So I will highlight this and I will put this color. Okay, lovely, lovely. Yeah, right now it looks good. It looks very, very good, guys. Okay, the next step basically will be adding a button, but I can actually add a button here in the structure. So I will go and click add block and I will select the button. I can select this one, but what I know, oh, okay, I just selected two sections, so this is why two blocks is why they've been added, like both of them. But what I know about the development of this button, I can play with it. I can adjust the radius. I can adjust the radius. It's like internal container. I don't need to adjust the container radius, but I can adjust the radius here. I can I can play with it. Yeah, I can see that like the button being adjusted. But what I need to do actually, because I'm not able to add this shadow. Like this shadow is something that definitely will be added in the future as a functionality. I can keep it like this, so I can already write a text here. So I can just, yeah, I can see that I can adjust the button here. So I can adjust paddings, I can adjust margins, I can adjust font size, letter spacing. But what I want to do, based on the fact that I'm not able to add a shadow on the bottom, so I will do a trick. The same trick that I did with this block. So to not build it from scratch, and because I'm not able to use custom fonts in emails, so I will just use a link, image with a link, to put this button here. So I will add this block. I'll go image with link. And let me just add this one, the same block that I used in the past. And when I will go to it, I will upload the button image. Good, good. And yeah, you can see that it looks a little big. So let's maybe make it 55%. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It already looks pretty good. And it looks exactly how I want it to be in template. So the only thing that I need to do is actually to put the same link that I added here in this link. I will add the same link here too, right? Okay, cool, cool. Right, then the next thing that we need to do, we need to add more blocks. And basically, it will be the same image, same image block with one more thing, because I'm not able to add custom fonts, remember? So I'm adding this special banner, and yeah, it looks nice. But I can see that I need to adjust the spacing here because I want this section to be a little bit lower and make my potential employer to focus on the book a meeting button, because it's like the important action, that the main action that I want to reach when I'm sending this email. So yeah, how I can add this margin? So I cannot adjust any block setting now, so I'm not able to add margins now. So I'm able to adjust radius, top, and actually I already mentioned it to the team that we definitely need to add this functionality to add the margins between sections. But right now it still will not stop me, because I have a divider section here. I have a divider block, and I can actually use this divider to create some spacing between my blocks. And I can I can just use I can just turn the divider into the background color. It's already looks good, and I can add, I can change the height of it, right? So I will make it like 16 pixels, and I can add spacing to top and bottom. Actually, like the same settings will be available for the sections spacing, but right now on the MVP stage we don't have it. So let's make it 20. So I think, and like even bigger, right? Maybe 32 pixels. Yeah, I think it looks good. Maybe even bigger. Yeah, looks nice. Looks nice. Right now I'm fully satisfied with that. Okay. So moving forward, next thing will be just to do the same thing that we did with this block. I'm just adding the reach text, right? So I'm just going to the reach text, adding this block. I will just copy this one, right? I will just try to do it. Maybe it will work good, and we'll just copy the parameter. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm just copied that, not all of them, but yeah, it looks nice. I've just copied this parameters, and when I'll put this text, okay, maybe I will try to Command Shift. Oh yeah, so Command Shift B worked for me. Oh, that sounds like a literal phrase. Okay, but okay, so it's something that I need to adjust is actually paragraphs. So, oh, okay, so I'm also need to put this loyal to you, Alex, from Digital Butlers. Yeah, right now, oh my goodness. Okay, right now it looks good. It looks really nice. And I need to highlight the special conditions because it's one of the really important things that I want to mention in this email. So yeah, I think it looks good. I think it looks good, guys. So then I just need to, there is no any like links here. So I just need to add imagery. I can actually, there won't be any, like, there won't be a link, but actually I can make them go to our Clutch account with the reviews, but I don't want our employer to like focus on that. I want them to focus on book a meeting thing. So I will add images, and I can actually use this one and add like each image one by one, but I don't think that it will be like something that I need in this particular case. So I will just add a one line image here, and yeah, it looks nice, but I need to adjust the sizing a bit. Okay, in auto it doesn't look very good because again it will be just based on the size of this particular picture, but I just exported in x2 ratio because I want it to look nice on Mac screens, right? So for HDPI, and yeah, and this is why I will just play with the width manually here, because it will guarantee to me that on mobile phones it will also looks good, and at the same time it will look good on desktop. Yeah, I think this maybe a little bit bigger, so 80% looks nice. Yeah, let's keep it 80%. Or maybe 72. Contain, fill. No, I think contain is good. 75. 75% is nice. We can keep it 75. Okay. Moving forward, I need to add a final thing that I need to add actually is a footer. And I will go to add a block. So footers. Footer, okay, a footer. I have it. And I think that this one looks almost the same. Then I will use to add a block. But yeah, I can see that I have different background here. I have a white color, so I will just yeah, make it like this, and this looks nice. It looks nice. So now I need to change the icons because I will use Telegram icon. I will use Telegram icon, and I will put the specific Telegram link here. So I'll go to my like our website to just copy it and paste. Okay. Like for the Facebook, I will do the same thing. Wait a minute. Yeah, I don't have Facebook link here. It's really strange. Oh wait a minute, I will not have Facebook. Oh my god. So yeah, I will use WhatsApp. So it may, yeah, it's solve everything. So WhatsApp. Copy, paste. Okay, and for the Instagram, I will have the same icon actually, but Instagram, copy. Okay, nice. So we'll put this link. All right. It looks almost. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. Okay. Then I need to adjust this reach text because, oh, okay, it doesn't put in the way. Okay, I need to adjust it manually. So I'm putting this piece to the next line. Then I will put the availability, contact email, calendar, WhatsApp, Telegram. Okay, and that's it. So I need to get rid of that. And you can see that these lines, they shouldn't have such a big spacing between that. And I have a specific parameter to adjust it. So right now it looks good. So I just get rid of this spacing, maybe add a bit more spacing. And I know that this text should be smaller. Like this text should be 14 pixels and this one should be 10 pixels. So I will make this one look for like it should be 10 pixels, and yeah, I can just get rid of any margins here. So it will have the same 5252 gray color. Yeah, right now it looks nice. And I need to make this email become a link. Okay, it's already a link, so nice. And I'm just making it underlined. Calendar, I already used this link in the past, so I will just put my tidy call. I'll put a tidy call link. Yeah, here we go. And make it underlined. And actually, I think that I can put this color just now to not get back to it in the future. Okay, lovely. Okay, we have a little bit of spacing here. Okay, WhatsApp, I already put this link in the past too. Adding this blue color to look nice. And Telegram, so put this link to Telegram here. Okay, nice. What I think, yeah, what we missed, we just need to adjust the spacing here. So we just need to get rid of that. Oh, not in this way. So I think that this one should be put in this more way, but this one, yeah, we need to adjust the color a bit. And maybe even bigger spacing, because you can just add the spacing in this way. 32. How much pixels do I have here? Okay, I think I will do it just visually. So a bit bigger, but it not so critical. Yeah. Okay, it already looks very nice, guys. So I think we did it. I can also see that this spacing is a bit bigger than we have here. And if you remember, as I mentioned, we don't have an opportunity to customize the spacing for the sections now. So what I will do, I will add one more divider here right now. Divider, put it here, and I can just select this background color and make it a bit bigger. So I can make it maybe 22 pixel. Yeah, nice, looks good. And add a bit of a spacing for the footer, right? To make it a bit bigger here, and I can just change it to white color. And in element settings, if I will just click to the section here, no, to that, I can also change the background for this particular section too. And right now it looks exactly the way I need. All right. So I think it looks good, but in general, let's save the template now. Let's have the template now, and let's go. Okay, I also have a preview mail message, and I can just put this text, just because this is actually a message, the text that we'll see as a like description in the mailing box. So I want it to be in this way. So I don't have any connected forms yet, but I will do it in a moment. So I just needed to say to connect the domain, if you remember, first. But look at this. Wow. It's much better than it was originally. Like, I mean, when I'm just sending a basic text, right? So yeah. So it's much more professional and personal. Definitely. Okay. Okay. What we'll do next, I think we can even add a bit spacing here too, right? Because yeah, it's better now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's all right, I need to save it now. Okay, it's saved. Okay, let's go to websites. And actually we need to select the domain, if you remember. So I can just add it now, but this domain hasn't been. Oh, okay, it hasn't been verified, but let's check the status. Cool. All right, so everything being connected. You can see that everything looks good now. So the domain settings that we added, they had been applied, so everything looks nice. So let's go to the next step, and we need to add a signature. So this is the way how actually I will be named in the inbox. Okay, so I will just put Alex Butler, right? I think, or I can just put Alex Gulenko. Okay, sounds good. Send an email. So I can play with the email here, and I can just yeah, I can actually use my existing email to do it. So, but I will just put a hello, right? It's just because I want my employer to send me back to hello if I want to do it. So I'm just adding it. Nice. Okay, I have the signature now. So you're all set. Congratulations. Nice. Okay, so we can click save, and amazing. We can see the domain is available now, and we can add forms. So we go into the website, and actually I will see all the forms that I have on my website. And what's important, guys, we can see that there are different forms, and when we spoke about this with the team, we discussed that, okay, maybe our users will have a lot of they will have a symbol that they will use on different pages, and we want it like this symbol to be connected to one template, right? We don't need to any additional do it all the time and make the connection every time from scratch, right? And because of that, we combined all symbols or the same forms into one. So I will not use this particular form because I'm interested in this form, not on not in this one right now. But yeah, so I'm just highlighting because I think it's a very important thing from the UX standpoint. Okay, what I want to connect now, I want to connect this clutch section, this section specifically, because from the landing page, and yeah, I will do it now. So let's do it. So I'm just clicking add. I added the form. I can see that I have my signature here. The form is turned off for now because I didn't connect the template. I need to connect my template first. And let's do it. So let's connect template. When I'm clicking template, I can see it. I can select it. turn on the form. No, I will not turn on the form now, because if I will do it now, it will be already activated. But and it this like when somebody will leave a message here, they will receive a this specific email. But I can already do it basically. But before doing that, I want to be sure that I added the subject. So my subject will look like this. Thank you for project request. Thank you for project request. Yeah. Thank you for project request. To digital butlers, right? And I will save it. Nice. Okay, I added the subject. Yeah, it's added. Okay. Thank you for. Yeah, thank you for it. Okay, good. Then I have my template, and actually I can already activate it. But before doing that, I will do one little trick. Based on the fact that I'm already connected to the form, I'm able to use all dynamic data that the user will put inside of the form now to share, like to use it in the email that I will use as an auto response. So, and you can see that I have like this employer text being underlined here, and instead of that, I can put the name of the employer that being placed in the name field. So, and let's do it with it right now. Let's do it now. So I can see all the fields that I have in my Webflow account, and they are actually connected to the field ID. So I know that customer name is actually the field that I need. So I copied it, and I will just put it here, right? Oh, okay. I need to make it bold one more time. And right now, like the system will put WMails will put the name of the employer into this text. So I don't think that I need any additional. Yeah, I don't need any additional dynamic field now, so I can save it. Maybe it will be also a great idea to put maybe budget here, maybe like company name, any other fields to make it more personal. But let's keep it the customer name, just customer name for now. And you know, like as a designer, I can. Okay, yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, we're getting back to the settings, and we're getting back to the website. So right now, I think, guys, our email is completely ready to be sent. I can send a test email, but I'm sure that everything will be good already. So I will just activate it. So just in one click. So my status now should be active. So if I will check it, yeah, I have already activated form, and the status is active. Okay, guys. So this is a moment of truth. What I will do now, I will just go to this website and to our landing page, and we'll try to fill the form. So let's fill it one more time. So I'll click tasks, or like Joan Doe, right? And digitalbutlers.team gmail.com, discuss your project. Okay. Cool. All right, I receive it now, guys. So it seems like I used the wrong email in the past. So right now it should good. But I can see this. I can see this item. It seems like I'm not able to use emoji. I'm not able to use emoji. I'm not able to use emoji in the text. So I can add it there. Oh, here we go. Okay. I need to remove it completely and add it like as a new signature. Okay, I connected to the form, so I can add a new signature here. Hello. Alex Blanco. Oh, because it's hello. Okay, okay. Alright, it's just a bit changing a bit, but it means that when I will just go to this website and if I will change the signature here, so this is something that we need to add in the future basically, because it doesn't look, it's a little bit, like complicated from the UX standpoint, but it doesn't crazy, right? So I can remove it now and I can basically add a new signature in the future. But okay, so let's do the final test. I can see that the message been sent already, right? So it looks good. And I received my message now, but I didn't like this thing. I like this question mark. So right now I can maybe add. I know that I can add it to the subject. By the way, what's funny? Okay, and let's try to do it one more time. One final time. So, Chris Butler. And let's use the same email, right? Discuss project. We'll receive a lot of leads today, right? Okay. Oh yeah, it's just right now it's been sent in the blink of an eye, so it looks really good. So I can see that the name that I use being put here. I can basically click on book a meeting. I can book it, click here, and when I'm clicking on it, it will be open in a third third tab. Like, yeah, all these things are also available, and I can see it in the bottom. So I will use I forgot to put a Telegram link. Oh. Okay, so I need to change it now. But basically, it's something that, like, I think guys will win here. So we did it, and we just added the email that we need. So right now it looks really professional. Yeah, safe. Cool. I can also see that like my messages I send, they are highlighted here, so I am able to send like 2,000 emails in the months, per month. And of course, if I will need more, I can go to connect to the team like ask for enterprise. But in general, it looks good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope that it will be helpful. Unfortunately, I wasn't able, so I failed my challenge. I wasn't able to do it in 15 minutes, but I'm sure this happened because I didn't use any template. I just create it from scratch. So my email was completely custom, and I think it looks good. Like from the design standpoint, yeah, it looks really nice. And if I would use like some kind of a template and adjust it, I'm sure that I will be able to do it even like in 10 minutes. But yeah, building this nice looking image, nice looking template, I just spend more time. But I just hope that it will be very helpful to you to customize your own templates, to set up your auto response. And yeah, feel free to use WMails. As you can see, it's an MVP, and in the future we'll add much more functions. We'll do some nice adjustments. But yeah, so very excited about it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Wish you a great day ahead. Thanks. Bye bye.